In today's video, I'm going to teach you about testing your Typeform to ensure it functions as intended before sharing it with your audience. Testing is a crucial step in the form building process, as it allows you to catch any potential issues or missteps before they become visible to your respondents. Let's dive right into the two main methods you can use to effectively test your Typeform. First, let's explore Preview mode. This feature is designed to give you a sense of what your form looks and feels like from the perspective of someone filling it out. To get started, open your form in Typeform's content panel. You'll see a play icon in the toolbar. Click it to enter Preview mode. This initiates an interactive walkthrough, enabling you to experience your form just as a participant would. While navigating through, pay close attention to how each question flows into the next, ensuring everything aligns seamlessly and nothing feels out of place. Further, try clicking on the mobile icon to understand how your form would render on a smaller screen. This is especially crucial since many users access forms via their phones. By previewing your form, you ensure that both the desktop and mobile experiences are flawless, making this method ideal for checking the user experience and verifying that all elements, such as buttons and links, are functioning properly. Now, moving on to a slightly different testing approach, testing your form without counting submissions. If you want to experiment with your form without affecting your response metrics, there's a nifty way to do just that. In the case of standalone forms, a simple tweak to the URL can come in handy. Modify your form's URL by adding dangerous disable submissions right at the end. For instance, if your original URL looks like https form.typeform.com to abc123, it would be adjusted to https form.typeform.com/to abc123. Dangerous disable submissions. By opening this modified URL in your browser, you can interact with your form without any recorded responses, ensuring your submission count remains untouched. For embedded forms, the process is slightly different but equally effective. When incorporating the form into your website, you'll use the data.tf enable sandbox attribute in your embed code. An example embed snippet would look like this, followed by the script tag. With this setup, you can engage with the form as much as you like without affecting submission totals. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to testing your Typeform effectively. By leveraging both preview mode and the submission-exempt methods, you can confidently refine and perfect your form's performance before it goes live. Happy testing!